we're going to keep this fun up and our energy up and move right along to our next activity. And if you were wondering why Miss Chandra had 2 jumbo pieces of chalk, that's because we're about to play Chalk It Up. Well, scholars, as you can see, Timmy is way ahead of us, so let's get started. For this next activity, we're going to continue to use our imagination. We're going to pretend that we have a big piece of chalk, like our friend Timmy here. Go ahead right now and pick out whatever color you want that chalk to be. For Miss Chandra, I'm going to pick the color purple, because that way I can match my friend Timmy. Do you have the color you're going to use? Great job, and way to use your imagination. All right, we're going to pretend to hold on to that big piece of chalk, and we're going to write in the air in front of our screen. We're going to practice writing capital T first. Let's quickly review the steps for writing a capital T. When we write a capital T, there are
2.
You got it, 2 steps. The first step is a straight line down. Hold on to that chalk and let's do that first line together. Ready? 1, 2. Great job, scholars. All right, keep that fun up and keep writing in the air with your pretend chalk. Here comes your chalkboard and let's get going. 1, 2. Well done, friends. Let's write another one. Ready? 1, 2. Great work, scholars. Did your capital T have a straight line down and then cross at the top just like Timmy's? Great work. Are you ready to try lowercase t now? Awesome, me too. Let's go ahead and do lowercase t together right now. Just like capital T, there are 2 steps. Hold on to that chalk. Ready? 1, 2. Great work. Here comes your chalkboard. Let's do it again. Ready? 1, 2. One more time, friends, because the things we do the most are the things we do the best. Ready? 1, 2. Great work, scholars. All right, I have a challenge for you. Just like Timmy did, I'm going to have you write a capital T and then write a lowercase t right next door. Are you ready for the challenge? Oh, good. Challenge accepted. Here comes your chalkboard. Let's start off with that capital T, or the big one. Count the steps as you write. Ready? 1, 2. And right next door, let's write a lowercase t. Ready? 1, 2. Excellent job, scholars, writing those capital and lowercase t's.